Yeah, we'll just do a little short right here. Why not? Look at that. Taipei.
Building.
Yeah, right. There's that Art Deco building in the front, and
Oh,
Taipei
you see
101 in the
that
back.
tree is so unique. You
I
see
know,
this?
right?
Yeah.
Let's walk past that tree,
Okay.
shall we? Hey, folks, we just finished up walking on the Elephant Trail now, didn't we? Elephant Mountain Trail?
Yeah.
Elephant Mountain Trail.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant. Elephant Mountain Trail.
Wow, look at that. Yeah, that is a weird tree. Look at that.
It was like a lantern or something.
Right?
Yeah.
Interesting. It's a beautiful neighborhood.
Very good.
Okay, so we'll go down that way, and we'll go that way, and we're not going to do the GPS. We'll just kind of feel our way over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
吃个凉饭。喝水啊。
That's parking Taipei style there, folks. They're squeezed right in there. And every once in a while, somebody will squeeze two into a space.
That's two in one place.
Put one right in a line there, right? There's three in this. There's two spaces and three scooters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
真强哦。
Yeah.
Restaurant.
I know. What's on the menu? Let's take a look. Ooh.
Southwestern
Southwestern.
appetizer. This is for Christmas.
Ah. Okay. Well, we just wolfed down an entire loaf of bread.
We have a good bread.
Got to let that settle for a while before I think about eating some more.
Even the breakfast place looks stylish.
I know, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is solid restaurants in here. Wow. So cute. Pretty quiet street considering how close we are to Taipei 101,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah,
We need to cross the street.
we do. Well, somebody found good parking spaces there. It's all right. Hey, we're heading this way now. Yeah. That's one of the great things about Taipei. It has sidewalks.
Yeah, we have sidewalk.
I mean, not everywhere, but
Decent
yeah.
sidewalk.
School over there, maybe? I see a track. Yeah, it's got to be a school, right?
School.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow, what a great location for a school.
Yeah.
So close to Taipei 101. Right in the center of downtown. See a lot of these U-bikes.
Easy.
There goes another one. And another one.
You can rent the U-bike in like a spot A, and
Yeah.
then you can return it in spot B.
Yeah.
Yeah. So very convenient for people.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta love the architecture here.
Junior high.
Junior high.
Yeah. Xinyi. This is Xinyi book.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we were talking about the U-bikes a minute ago, right?
Yeah.
That's how that works right there. You just rent it. Somebody took that one out. There's an empty slot. They're actually pretty good bikes. They're not a fancy bike, but they look pretty sturdy. Ooh, something smells good.
Yeah.
Ha!
It smells like children cake and fry.
Yeah,
Yeah, right?
yeah,
That kind of children rice cake.
right?
And pan fry.
That's pretty handy for the bikers, these wide sidewalks.
Yeah. Yeah.
They haven't got to go out in the street,
Yeah. Safer, much safer.
right? Oh, left turn at the next one, maybe? We could take a left turn. We could cross here. We got 25 seconds. Let's do it. Let's do that. want to go this way. Oh, okay. You're right. We got 52 seconds. Just not chasing the shade. But anyhow. Might be time to break out the hat. Let's do that. Here, you hold that. You can point that at anything you like. Oh, that's much better. Yeah, you get your hat out too. A lot of sun today. Meanwhile, we'll take a look at that building right there. Cool balconies. Lots of green. You know, you hardly see a private bike here. It's mostly the U-bikes.
Yeah.
There you go.
If you have a U-bike,
You can just dump it in any slot, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Because here, if you have bike, where you can park.
I know it, right? You have to chain it to a tree and hope nobody steals it.
Probably no place to park your personal bike.
No, you
You
don't.
need to bring to your apartment.
Right? I know it. Taipei something. Sports center. Wow.
Oh, wow. And
Imagine
that's
that.
great. That's a city.
Yeah.
Like a city.
I bet they have a swimming pool in there. I bet they do.
People don't need to spend money on those gym, private gym.
Right.
Yeah, here you can probably play all kind of sports
Yeah.
indoor.
It's probably the same deal as judo. You just pay a couple of NT and
Yeah, very friendly price.
yep. I pay 70 NT to go swimming.
See?
That's like a little over $2,
Very
right?
basic money in order to maintain.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we're getting there. We're heading over to Taipei 101 for no good reason, just for fun.
And also can look around this neighborhood.
To look around this neighborhood. Yeah.
Yeah, neat, organized.
Yeah. It's surprisingly quiet considering how downtown we are. Of course, it is Sunday, right? So that might make a difference. But there's not that much traffic. I think we go one more. This is the Xinyi district, is that right?
Xinyi district, you're right.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, lovely.
Pretty. Lovely. I'm feeling a right turn. Wow, look at the blocks over there. The pink blocks there. It's like a Lego.
Yeah.
We're there. There you go, folks. Taipei 101. There's Taiwan's tallest building right there. That's where they do the big fireworks. New Year's Eve. We're going to wander around a little bit more in here, but I think I'm going to call it a video right here. It was 16 minutes. That's long enough, right? That's just about how long my attention span is, about 16 minutes. Hey, you guys, we're in downtown Taipei. It's a beautiful day, beautiful Sunday. Just wandering around, having a look. Oh, you know what? Let's look over here too before we turn this thing off. Look here now. There you go. There's that building we were admiring right there. That's a cool building. Many cool buildings. Hey, we're going to call it a video right there, folks. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Hit some kind of a button. And hit an on button, hit an off button, hit a panic button, hit an easy button. Have a great day. We'll catch you on the next video. All right.